Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to help the channel grow and keep up to date with the latest videos. Hi and welcome to another video by me, FloJo. Today we're looking at the Power Automate desktop actions and we're looking at the merge list action. So what does the merge list action do? Well, it allows you to take two lists and then produce one list with all the items from the initial two. Now to do this, when we're actually going through our demonstration, we're going to be touching on two other actions. Now those actions are the create list, which essentially creates a placeholder variable for a list, and this allows us to then add items to it once it's created. And to add items to that list, we're going to use the add item to list action, and this effectively adds an item to the previously created list. Now I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video about how you use this functionality, because I actually have a video on my YouTube channel that goes more in depth into this. So if you're interested in that, please check that video out. Okay, so when you add the merge list action to Power Automate Desktop, this is what you're presented with. You can select your initial list, you can then select your second list, and then what happens is you produce a new list, and in this instance it would be called output list, which would have the two lists produced into one output list. So when you're going through and you're selecting your first list and your second list, remember where highlighted on your screen now, the little square boxes, if you click on those squiggly bracket and the X, which is the function variable, if you click on that, you'll be able to select your list rather than having to type it in, and it will save you a lot of time. So select your first list, select your second list, hit save, and then you just run the flow and it will produce a third list, which will be the two lists merged. So let's see this on Power Automate Desktop. Okay, so I'm on Power Automate Desktop, and what I'm going to firstly do is open the variable section. Now before we do the merge lists, we need to create a new list. So let's create one, and let's call this list 1. Okay, so we have a list 1 created. But let's create another one and call it list 2. Cool. So we've got two empty lists being created. Now what we need to do is we need to add items to that list. So let's add items to list 1. So we're going to add a particular item. Let's just put Joe, and we're going to pass that through into list 1. So we've got list 1, and all it does is contain Joe. So let's use this example of names. Let's say we're merging two lists of multiple names into one full names list. So let's add some items to list 2. What we'll do is we'll add Jax to, and then as you can see here, I'm selecting the variable and doing list 2, so I don't actually have to type this. Hit save, and we'll add another one to here, which will do Meg. So we'll have my two cats in a separate list and me in the first. So we create list 1, we add Joe to it, we create another list, and then we add Jax and Meg to the second list. Now if you imagine that you was either pulling items from a database, or you're getting from external sources or anything like that, you could have multiple lists that you want to merge. So you can only do 2 at a time, and in our example here we're going to be adding 2 lists together. But what you could do in theory is if you had 3 lists that you wanted to merge, you could use the merge list, and we'll go through this process now. You would select your first list 1, and then you would select your second list that you want merged, and then you get an output list. Now if we had a third list that we wanted to merge into these as well, we could simply use this action again, select the output list, and then select the third list, and then press save, and then what would happen is you would have the merged lists of 1 and 2 in this one, and then the next action would take the output of the 2 merged lists and then merge the third one into it. So you can iterate through as many lists as you want, but you're limited to 2 at one go. So going back to our example, we've created a list of 1, we've added Joe to that, we've created a second list, We've added Jax and Meg to it, and then we are merging the lists. So on the right hand side you can see our flow variables of list 1, list 2 and output list. So what I'm going to do is put a breakpoint here. If you don't know what a breakpoint is, it just means it's going to stop at that particular point, and then you can just skip over the action. So I'm going to run this flow and it's going to get to the 6th step, which is the merging list. We're going to check out what we've got in list 1, list 2, and then we'll see what the output is once I run the next step. So let's run our flow. Okay, so on the right hand side you can see list 1 contains Joe. You can see list 2 contains Jax and Meg. So what we're expecting from here then is the output list to merge both of these and have Joe, Jax, Meg. So if I do run next action, it's essentially going to run this action here. And then as you can see, both lists were merged. We've got Joe, then Jax, and then Meg. And that is how easy it is to merge lists on Power Automate Desktop. Thanks for watching another video by me, FlowJoe. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button or select a video on your screen right now to continue learning more about the Power Platform.